Hi everyone, welcome back. Harry and I are here again to do a super craft with you, and today we're going to make a goat. You will need a piece of paper, scissors, glue, and a pencil or a texter. Now, this is a little bit complicated, so it's probably one you're going to have to sit with your child and do with them. I apologise. Okay, step number one, we have our piece of paper here, and it is a tall tower. I'm going to fold it in half this way so it makes a very skinny rectangle. Great job, Harry. Now I'm going to use my texter and I'm going to open this back up and I'm going to draw a triangle at the top. I'm going to draw it from this corner into the middle and then from this corner into the middle. I'm going to do it on the table because even I can't draw in the air, and then I'll hold it up to show you. Down like this and then up like this. So I have a triangle at the top. Awesome. And I'm going to cut it out. So this is going to be our goat's head and face. Alright, step number two. We're going to have our paper still folded in half because we want to double it, and I'm going to draw a circle. If you have something to trace around, that's much easier for your kids. Obviously I can draw it freehand, so if you want to do that, that's good too. Doesn't need to be too big, just sort of this size, just like this. Make sure you keep your paper folded because we're going to have two circles. And then we're going to cut them out. Two circles. Good work, Harry. Alright, one circle we're going to fold in half, just like this, and then cut along the fold line. These are going to be our goat's ears. Have my two pieces like this. Does not matter, Harry. And I'm going to glue them, that's fine, onto the corners of the top here. One goes here, there's one ear. And the same on the other side. Make sure that the rounded part goes to the top. So there are our goat's ears. Looking pretty good so far. Alright, on our other circle, this is going to become the little beard and the horns. So we're actually going to draw a shape inside. And it looks like this. Makes a bit of a crescent moon on each side. So it looks like this. A bit like a beach ball, an eye, something like that. And then we just cut along those lines. Awesome, Harry, well done. Alright, the part from the middle is the billy goat's beard. So that's going to go down the bottom on the pointy part of the chin there. I'm going to glue that on now. It will look like this. And then the two banana pieces are the horns. So they'll go on the top. Doesn't matter if they're not exactly the same size or if they're not the perfect shape. It's more for the fun of making it. Good work, Harry. Let me grow that. Thank you. Alright, here we go. It's looking more like a goat now. That's it, Harry. Oops. Good job. Final thing, we're going to put on a face. So first of all, I'm going to draw some eyes. And make sure you do an eye on either side of the fold line in the middle. That makes it easier. Then I'm going to draw a nose and the two lines for the mouth. And here is my goat. When it's finished, your kids can colour it in. They can make it all different. This one's normally white, or they can do whatever the colour they like. Good luck. Would you like to hold yours up too, Harry, to finish it off? Fantastic. I hope you have fun making it. Bye.